network to the world. Subscribe now to the Hot 97 YouTube channel. It's Ebro in the Morning with Laura Stiles and Rosenberg.
So the Tory Lanez Megan Thee Stallion trial has started. Tory Lanez was seen leaving a court in Los Angeles on Monday. He's beginning his felony assault trial in connection with the shooting of Megan Thee Stallion that happened in 2020, July of 2020. He's facing 23 years if convicted in the case.
I don't want that.
That's a lot.
So we'll see, guys.
I don't like that. I mean, from the beginning, I've said I'm annoyed by Tory Lanez's handling of it, and I don't like how he's handling it. And I don't like how people have been bullying Megan Thee Stallion. But I don't want to see Tory Lanez go to jail. That's for sure.
I think they were trying to yesterday. I think when this happened, they were trying to figure out like the jury.
Because there was a jury selection yesterday.
How do you? It's so tough. How do you find people that like are not biased? Because these people are stars.
Yeah, there's definitely people who don't know who Tory Lanez and Megan Thee Stallion are, guaranteed, and haven't heard of the story.
Yeah, that's true. The story's big in our world. I don't think my parents have ever heard of the story. Yeah, I just find this story so irritating. It's been so long and we still know nothing.
I know.
Like, I can't even tell you a way that I want it to go because I have no idea what happened.
Well, I think ultimately I wanted a resolution for Megan, right? And I wanted her to stop being mistreated and called a liar and all this other stuff.
But if the resolution that you were to get were to be what she says it was, that he pulled out a gun and said, "Dance, bitch," and shot at her feet. Mm-hmm. I'm sorry, that feeling that you just suggested about jail, I don't share with you.
Right.
Like, if that's true, I'm not saying I want that for Tory. I hope.
No, I'm not.
You know what I'm saying? You know
is I just don't want to. I don't want.
You hope it's not bad.
Yes.
You hope that somehow.
Yes.
This is not what it looks like. Me too. Because
that's what I'm saying.
Because I'm trying to understand how it could happen. But Tory does seem very confident that he didn't do anything.
That's right.
So, like, I'm just lost.
I still think the way Tory's handled this whole thing as a man is terrible. That's my biggest problem.
Yes, I agree.
Yeah, I agree.
Putting an album out and,
gaslighting this woman.
Yeah, and then the whole allowing his fans to go after her and him not saying anything like, yo, you know what I'm saying? Like, I haven't liked any of that. That's been my biggest problem. Because I don't know the facts. You know what I'm saying? I only know what we hear and what we're told. So... and I've obviously read some police reports about bullet fragments, but then there's people who are saying that there is no bullet fragments were never found, but that's not what the police report said, or at least the one that I read, and I thought it was legitimate.
And just because a whole bullet didn't enter her foot does not mean she wasn't shot. Shot at. Mm-hmm. You know what I mean? Because if allegedly he shot on the floor and bullet fragments went into her foot and injured her, she still got shot.
Well, the jury selection is on as of yesterday, and so I guess we're going to have a resolution soon. We finna see.
But we'll see, man. Yeah. I think all of us are exhausted, and we just want to answer. We want it to be over. So.